Okay, you got to see that. See, song number 6 up to song 5 I have taught. So E6 mean English 6 song. Okay. So chappy cheeks, timble nose, curly hair, eyes are blue, lovely ears, rosy lips, beautiful. Are in these are the things are outside our head because this should be go there. So you can use the mathematical concept. This is a line segment. This one ray. This is the use of line segment while the teacher teaching in English. Okay, so okay. So beautiful are in our head outside. So inside our head, that is cerebellum is there. That cerebellum, the beautiful mind is there. That is mind inside the mind, intelligence is there. It is really a miracle, right? Okay, now I am going to in Tamil. Tamil illa அறிவு புத்தி. In தமிழில் வந்து என்னென்னா அறிவு புத்தி. அது வந்து T6 தமிழை சொல்கிறேன். தடித்த கண்களே, சிறிய மூக்குகளே, ரோஜாப்பு நிற உதடுகளே, வளைந்து நிறைந்த முடிகளேன்னு சொல்லணும். உதடுகளை முடிகளேன்னு போடணும். நீளமான கண்களே, அன்புக்குரிய காதுகளே, எல்லாமே தலைக்கு மேலே, தலைக்கு உள்ளே அழகான முகுளக்குள்ள மூளையே, தலைக்குள்ள முகுளக்குள்ள மூளையே, மூளையில் உள்ள அறிவே, அது மிகவும் அதிசயமானது. நைஸ். நான் ஹிந்தி யூ சி தட் அக்கல் சொல்லுவாங்க அறிவுக்கு. ஸோ H6 மோட்டா கால் 2ன்னு போட்டிருக்கேன் மேலே. கக்க அப்படி சொல்லணும். அதான் 2ன்னு போட்டிருக்கேன் பார்த்துக்கோங்க. मोटा का गाल, छोटा का नाक, गुलाबी का ऊंट, ओके, साढ़े टेढ़े का बाल, सो नीला रंग का आँख, प्यारा कान, सब घर का सब सिर गर्ன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது தப்பாயிரும். சர்க்குன்னு சொன்னால் கர்னா வீடு, சிறுக்கு வேலை கர் சொன்னால் தப்பாயிரும் பார்த்துக்கோங்கண்ணே. सब सिर में, सिर के अंदर प्यारा कान बोलते. सिर के अंदर बहुत खूबसूरत मुगल में बुद्धि है, बुद्धि में योजना है, अक्ल है, जानकारी है, ये बहुत अधिशय है. ओके, संग सॉन्ग MC6 मराठी 6 सॉन्ग MC6 मराठी. मोटी से गाल है, छोटी से नाक है, गुलाबी का ऊंट है, आड़ा टेढ़ा बाल है, नीला वर्ण का आँख है, प्यारा कान है, सगलना सिर का पूड़े है, ऊपर है, बहुत चांगला मुगल में है, बहुत चांगला बुद्धि है, खूबसूरत अक्ल है, सगला बहुत ही संगला बुद्धि है, जो खूबसूरत अक्ल है, अक्ल में योजना है, योजना में जानकारी बहुत है, ये बहुत अधिशय है, दुनिया में बहुत अधिशय है. Okay, have all understood? Have all understood? எல்லாருக்கும் புரிஞ்சுதா? सबका समझ में आया क्या? सगला क्या कर लख्या. Bye. See you in the next video. Okay, E7. We have to wait for. Now see, we have to see that speed into small s. Speed into time is equal to d. Okay, where t is equal to time, you know that. I have told like this 1 2 3 3 x 2 3 4 like this 60 second mean 1 minute. Okay, so 12 into 5 60 minutes is equal to that is 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 1 hour and we have tell is an hour. Tell about an 1 hour and we can tell about an hour. Okay, an hour, AIOU. Okay, 1 hour, not an. Okay, 1 hour. We have to tell about that. 1 hour or just here 1 multiply with the hour is also equal to hour only. So we can tell about hour also we can tell about. Okay, just hour. D is kilometer, distance. Okay, distance means suppose you are from Mumbai to Tamil Nadu, if you distance in kilometer. Okay, this is called as a scalar quantity. It doesn't change. ஓகே டி வந்து கிலோமீட்டர், இது வந்து ஒரு ஸ்கேலார்னால் இது நிரந்தரமாக இருக்கும். அது வந்து இப்போ இதில் இருந்து விலைக்கு எவ்வளோ தூரம் 1000 கிலோமீட்டர், 2000 கிலோமீட்டர், 3000 கிலோமீட்டர் மேப் we are having this map used to tell about that is called a scalar. Doesn't change. If unless and until we change a route, it doesn't change. Okay, அதான் ஸ்கேலர் சொல்லுவாங்க. Now see, now S is equal to D by T. S is equal to kilometer per hour. How do you come? You have to see that. Okay. Now S into T is equal to D. Now divide both sides by T. It is a symbol balance. Symbol balance, if we keep it something, here also we keep it something. If we take something, here also we can take it something. Divide both sides by T. Then CS multiply with T by T is equal to this side. If you multiply, suppose for an example, if you add in this is the left hand side, this is the right hand side. LHS and RHS in short form. This we can write it left hand side. This RHS right hand side. Left hand side இட பக்கம், இது வலது பக்கம். என்ன ஏ தரப்பு ஓ தரப்பு சொல்லுவாங்க. லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு இட பக்கம், இது வந்து வல பக்கம். அது வந்து எஸ் மல்டிப்ளை வித் டி இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு எஸ் மல்டிப்ளை வித் டி இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு டி. இப்போ டிவைட் போத் சைடு பை டி, தென் எஸ் மல்டிப்ளை வித் டி பை டி. இஃப் யூ டிவைட் டி this side, the same thing you have to divide to this side also. So s multiply with t by t is equal to d by 2. So t get cancelled. Then we get s is equal to d upon t. This side cancel. So here s is remaining. So is equal to distance by time is equal. Don't cut it like this, otherwise not equal. So you have to write it like equal. Okay, no, don't cut any line on it. Okay. So this side speed is equal to distance by time. Like this we calculated. Okay. Now suppose in order to find out the find out the t. Okay, how do you find out the t? You have to see here. In order to find out the speed, we have to neglect, we have to delete. Okay, you have to remove. Okay, not to find out the speed, you have to remove the t. So if you remove the t, then only you get a t, then only you will get a s. That is only not to get a s, you have to remove t. So for this we have to divide both sides by t. Suppose similarly, if you want to find out the speed time, suppose our speed is over, you have to find out the t means you have to eradicate, you have to delete s from that. In order to delete, you have to both sides you divide by s. Okay, so s multiply with d by s is equal to here s multiply with t is equal to d. So you have to, in order to get t, we got to eliminate s, eradicate or eliminate s, remove s. So for removing s, here we have to multiply with t. Multiply or not multiply. It is a division. If you add this time, here I add. If you multiply here, multiply. If you subtract something, here you subtract. If you divide something, you divide. So the procedure you have to not to get a balance, like a simple balance. Like whenever you are having symbol balance, some things, the same things should be taken from this side, not to get a balance. Same procedure you are having. Okay, so s multiply with by t by a is equal to, here also in order to get t, we have to divide this side by s. In order to get a balance, this side also you have to divide by s. Okay, so left hand side is also this is called a okay, this is the denominator. The denominator should be divided by s. Here same thing, here also divided by s. So not to make a balance, so s get cancelled, then t is equal to d by s. Okay, now we have to see that how do you find out that t is equal to hours. We'll see that. Okay, so here time is how many hours. In our real life we use it every hour. D is kilometer. How many? That is a scalar. Sorry, தண்ணி குடிச்சு தள்ளிடுச்சு. So t is in hours and d is in a kilometer. Okay, so speed is how do you find out a speed? Speed is here speed, here time. You divide here d by t it comes. Okay, here it told d by t. D by t, distance means kilo. That is d by t, d by t. D is in kilometer, and here we have to write t in hours. Okay, so kilometer per hours. Now how do you find out the t? Okay, now t is equal to d upon s. Okay, t T is equal to d by RC. Here it is a unit. Hour is called as a unit. So how do you find out T is equal to d by is equal to hours? So our question. So T is equal to distance by S. Okay. For distance is kilometer. Okay. Distance by second. What is this second here? From this here written d by t. Distance is kilometer, time is hours. So here we have to write kilometer per hour. So t is nothing but d by s. D is in kilometer and s is in kilometer per hour. So this is a fraction. So in order to solve the fraction, this is kilometer per 1. Okay, separately and a lower fraction. Then you have to make a reciprocal and multiply. This is the procedure. Okay. So this nothing is there, mean kilometer per 1 is there. Then by kilometer, this is S is kilometer per hours I have written. So kilometer by nothing fractions. We are having two fractions. Kilometer mean nothing mean 1 is there. If you divide a kilometer by 1 also you will get kilometer only. Here S is kilometer per hour. Okay. So how do you divide one fraction with other fraction mean? We have to, the rule is we have to take this the denominator part. This is the doctor numerator. Denominator இது வந்து ஓகே அது நியூமரேட்டர்னா நம்பர். ஓகே, டினாமினேட்டர்னா டிக்ரீஸிங் வந்து. ஓகே, இது வந்து பகுதி பழையச்சோருக்கு மேலே துவையல். ஓகே, so it is the numerator by denominator is right. Okay, denominator. This is the one fraction, that is kilometer per hour. Here just kilometer means kilometer per 1, because if we divide kilometer per 1 also you will get a kilometer only. So this we have to take it separately, that is kilometer per 1. Multiply with this fraction. The rule is if you divide one fraction by other fraction, we have to take this down fraction or denominator fraction, and we have to multiply with the reciprocal order. That is a rule. Okay, so this is nothing but we have to take it as it is, kilometer per 1. Multiply with this must be multiplied in the reciprocal. So it means the denominator must be gone to numerator. It must be written in numerator and numerator must be written in denominator. You see this fraction we have to take. The denominator should be written in the numerator side. Numerator should be written in denominator. Like this you have to written. So here it must be this hour must be written in up, and this kilometer must be down, up and down. And other rule is you have to multiply. Instead of multiplication, three things you have to use. One is multiply, then dot, then this bracket. It three also having the same meaning. Okay. So multiplication. In order to instead this multiplication. Okay, multiplication. So in the multiplication, three symbol we have to use. This cross you can use, and a dot also can use, and two bracket also we can use. These three things tells about a multiplication only. Do you understand? So I have written two brackets. Okay, this km get cancelled. So remaining is this 1. So hour divided by 1 is hour. So will you get T is equal to hour? So this is the proof. English explanation is over. I am going to explain in Tamil, then Hindi and Marathi. Still I will going to upload it, then I will continue it. And still wait. This must be uploaded because there is no place is there. So I am going to upload, and I am going to delete the uploaded part. Then only the mobile doesn't have a space to fill up. Okay, wait and see that. Okay, Tamil student be ready. Still English I am going to upload it. Wait and see. Okay, bye, see.